How often have you moved your mouse down to the bottom of the screen and hovered accidentally over the widgets to get all of the information up on screen, which you really don't want, and then it doesn't go away quickly? Here's the good news. There is an easy option that lets you change that, and let me show you exactly how to do that in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. If you find this tip useful, then please do give the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to be told as new videos are released every week, then remember to subscribe and click that notification bell. So, if like me, you've done this for years, both with Windows 10 and Windows 11, let me show you how you can change these settings. So obviously, move down to wherever the widget is, which if your toolbar is centered, it's going to be in the bottom left-hand corner. And if your toolbar and the start button is on the left, then it's going to be back on the right. So wherever it is, hover over it. And what you're going to do is in this screen, you're going to move to the settings. So that's the little cog button in the top right. As you click on that, here in Windows 11, you've got, as you look down, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth down, open widgets board on hover. And all we're going to do is turn the toggle to off. That's it. Close that down, click away, and now if you just move over, that button no longer activates. If you want to see the information, you can just click on it. And then, of course, when you're done, simply click away. Nice and easy solution to something that is so annoying. Hope that you found this tip useful. Remember, do give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.